Hello, it's Ms. Cynthia, and in my third tutorial about using our school library catalog, I'm talking about placing a hold on items that you've found in our catalog. First step, of course, you need to be logged in order to place your hold, and you'll know that you're logged in when you view the catalog page because the name of the account holder will be displayed in the upper right corner. Now, once again, this user did a keyword search for the term wimpy kid, and this slide image shows some of the items that came up. This user was interested in reserving the second item on the list, the Wimpy Kid Do-It-Yourself book, and as you can see, there were 1-of-1 copies available in our school library. Now, do you see this large Hold It button near the top right of the display? Click that button to place a hold. Once a hold is placed, it will show up on the My Info tab. Books that were checked in at the time you placed your hold will show up as ready, and books that were checked out to someone else will have a status of pending. You will not be able to place a hold on an item if an item is lost, and you'll also be limited by the numbers of holds that you can have at any one time. If you decide that you no longer want an item, you can delete the hold while it's pending. And again, that function is done from the list on the My Info tab. Now, it's important to understand what happens after someone places a hold, because Follett might tell you that an item is ready, but that's not the entire story. The next time I go to work and log into Follett Destiny, the catalog will notify me that there are local materials to be pulled. Once I pull the items, that is, I locate them on the shelf, only then will they be ready for pickup. And pickup may be subject to special arrangement due to social distancing for COVID-19. Well, folks, that's it. I want to thank you for watching this video series. I hope it's given you the information you need to set up your account, to successfully renew books for yourself, to browse, and to place and manage your holds remotely.